Wall seats, a simple yet effective exercise, are commonly found in fitness routines for good reason. This exercise involves holding a seated position against a wall without using a chair, making it a form of isometric training. While it requires no movement, wall seats strengthen muscles through sustained tension. By incorporating wall seats into your daily routine, you can enjoy a range of physical and mental benefits. Here's what happens when you commit to doing wall seats every day. Number 1. Enhanced lower body strength. Wall seats primarily target the muscles of the lower body, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Performing this exercise regularly puts these muscles under progressive tension, which leads to increased strength and endurance. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your ability to perform other physical activities that demand lower body strength, such as running, jumping, and even climbing stairs. Number 2. Improved muscle endurance. As an endurance-focused exercise, wall seats challenge your muscle stamina. The longer you hold the position, the more your muscles are pushed to their limits. Over time, this boosts your endurance, making it easier to participate in activities that require sustained physical effort, like hiking, biking, or even standing for long periods. Number 3. Increased core stability. While wall seats are known for targeting the lower body, they also engage your core muscles, including your abs and lower back. Strengthening these muscles can improve your posture, reduce back pain, and enhance balance and stability. Regular wall seats can contribute to better overall body control and alignment in everyday movements. Number 4. Calorie burning and weight management. Though wall seats aren't the most intense calorie-burning exercise, they do contribute to your daily energy expenditure. When incorporated into a broader workout routine and paired with a balanced diet, wall seats can support weight management and fat loss. Adding them to a high-intensity circuit can further increase their calorie-burning potential. Number 5. Mental toughness and focus. Holding a wall seat for an extended time is not just a physical challenge, it's a mental one as well. As the seconds tick by and the burn in your muscles intensifies, you'll need to draw on your willpower and mental fortitude to keep going. Practicing wall seats daily can help build mental toughness, focus, and discipline, which can benefit other areas of your life beyond fitness. Number 6. Flexibility and convenience. One of the best things about wall seats is their convenience. All you need is a flat wall, making this exercise accessible wherever you are. At home, in the office, or even in a hotel room while traveling. The ability to fit wall seats seamlessly into your daily routine makes them an excellent choice for busy lifestyles. Number 7. Potential risks and considerations. Although wall seats are generally safe, poor form or excessive repetition without proper rest can lead to strain, particularly in the knees and lower back. To avoid injury, it's important to listen to your body, maintain good form, and allow for adequate recovery time, especially if you're new to the exercise or increasing the intensity. If you have any pre-existing health concerns, it's always a good idea to consult a fitness professional or healthcare provider before starting a new workout routine. Adding wall seats to your daily exercise routine offers numerous benefits for your lower body strength, endurance, core stability, and mental resilience. However, as with any exercise, balance and proper technique are crucial. Gradually increase the time you hold the position and focus on maintaining good form to avoid injury. By doing so, you'll be able to maximize the physical and mental gains from this simple yet powerful exercise.